The present perfect is a verb tense that is used to show that an action has taken place once or many times before now. The present perfect is most frequently used to talk about experiences or changes that have taken place, but there are other less common uses as well. Read on for detailed descriptions. Examples: present perfect exercises. Present perfect forms. The present perfect is formed using has or have plus past participle. Questions are indicated by inverting the subject and has or have. Negatives are made with not. Statement: you have seen that movie many times. Question: have you seen that movie many times? Negative: you have not seen that movie many times. Present perfect uses. Use 1. Unspecified time before now. We use the present perfect to say that an action happened at an unspecified time before now. The exact time is not important. You cannot use the present perfect with specific time expressions such as yesterday, 1 year ago, last week, when I was a child, when I moved to Japan, at that moment, that day, one day, etc. We can use the present perfect with unspecific expressions such as ever, never, once, many times, several times, before, so far, already, yet, etc. Examples: I have seen that movie 20 times. I think I have met him once before. There have been many earthquakes in California. People have traveled to the moon. Have you read the book yet? Nobody has ever climbed that mountain. A. Has there ever been a war in the United States? B. Yes, there has been a war in the United States. How do you actually use the present perfect? The concept of unspecified time can be very confusing to English learners. It is best to associate present perfect with the following topics. Topic 1. Experience. You can use the present perfect to describe your experience. It is like saying, I have the experience of. You can also use this tense to say that you have never had a certain experience. The present perfect is not used to describe a specific event. Examples: I have been to France. This sentence means that you have had the experience of being in France. Maybe you have been there once or several times. I have been in France 3 times. You can add the number of times at the end of the sentence. I have never been to France. This sentence means that you have not had the experience of going to France. I think I have seen that movie before. He has never traveled by train. Joan has studied 2 foreign languages. A. Have you ever met him? B. No, I have not met him. Topic 2. Change over time. We often use the present perfect to talk about change that has happened over a period of time. Examples: you have grown since the last time I saw you. The government has become more interested in arts education. Japanese has become one of the most popular courses at the university since the Asian Studies program was established. My English has really improved since I moved to Australia. Topic 3. Accomplishments. We often use the present perfect to list the accomplishments of individuals and humanity. You cannot mention a specific time. Examples: man has walked on the moon. Our son has learned to read. Doctors have cured many deadly diseases. Scientists have split the atom. Topic 4. An uncompleted action you are expecting. We often use the present perfect to say that an action which we expected has not happened. Using the present perfect suggests that we are still waiting for the action to happen. Examples: James has not finished his homework yet. Bill has still not arrived. The rain hasn't stopped. Topic 5. Multiple actions at different times. We also use the present perfect to talk about several different actions which have occurred in the past at different times. Present perfect suggests the process is not complete and more actions are possible. Examples: The army has attacked that city 5 times. I have had 4 quizzes and 5 tests so far this semester. We have had major problems while working on this project. She has talked to several specialists about her problem, but nobody knows why she is sick.